Hey there, in this video, I will be going ahead and show you guys a guaranteed way to overgrow your fruits and plants inside of Grow Garden. As you guys can see, we got this garden right over here with a huge candy blossom. A lot of you guys are wondering, how is this garden so big? How did he do this? So this has to be one of the biggest candy blossoms in the entire game. Not only that, it's a guaranteed chance that you can get your candy blossoms as huge as you can see right here. It does work almost every single time you do it. And look how big these candy blossoms are. So you can sell these for a ton of money. As you can see, this is not one of the best players in the entire game. So this is going to be the guaranteed method to get yourself extremely large fruits. Look how big this is, guys. So I'm going to get stuck right in. So this is what you want to do. I will put a guide on the screen on everything you need to do. Make sure you are following everything correctly. So you want to first of all get yourself a basic sprinkler, an advanced sprinkler, a godly sprinkler, and a master sprinkler. You want to get one of each. Very important that you do that. Once you get one of each sprinkler, you guys want to place down every single sprinkler on your garden. You guys want to place down every single sprinkler on your garden. So just place down every single sprinkler that you've actually got. Now you want to go ahead and place down every single sprinkler on the fruit that you want to grow big. So you want to place down a basic, advanced, godly, and a master sprinkler. Once you do that, leave the game. Wait at least 1 hour, rejoin, and then your garden will look like this. So make sure you are following each step correctly, and you can get yourself absolutely huge plants and fruits just like this, guys. This is a glitch that you can do. If you follow everything correctly, it will work almost every single time. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.